Hey my lovelies, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk all about endometriosis, diet and snacks and the sweets, and wait till the end of this video because of course I have something very nice for you. So the thing that we are struggle the most, and I know that from the experience, is sugar craving. There is some time in our healing journey in our endo diet when we have to get off the refined sugar and replace it with a natural sugar. I even encourage my girls to go even a little bit further and try some time with no sugar at all. Yes, we still can survive with no sugar, even the natural one. It's called the state of ketosis, and a lot of good things also happened in the state of ketosis. So I recommend that for the more advanced ones. But the thing that I struggled the most was the sugar cravings. I don't know if you can relate, but oh my God. It was like chocolate was not allowed, and then gluten was not allowed, and so that means the biscuits not allowed, and that means everything else is not allowed. And I was like, oh my God, what can I do? So I came up with 7 snacks and 7 sweets meal plan for you, just in case when you've got the sugar craving rush, so you know what to do and you don't have to jeopardize your diet. So let me introduce you to some of the ideas, and at the end of this video I'm gonna make you proposition that you cannot refuse. So stay tuned. Quick sneak peek on the endo diet snacks and the sweets is just a proof that the sweets don't have to be boring and you don't have to deny yourself your pleasures. So that's the recipe for no bake energy bites that are absolutely amazing. All the recipes are very easy to make. They are budget friendly. Chocolate avocado pudding, you see, you don't have to say no to the chocolate, carrot cake, energy balls. If you want this meal plan, all you have to do is just drop me a DM and I'm gonna send it to you. And if you purchase biohacking endometriosis, you got it already in the module 1. So just go there and just print it out for you, all the ingredients and all the how-tos. I hope it's helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.